Are you starting a new YouTube channel? You don't know how to edit your thumbnails, or you don't know how to put your YouTube shorts, or you already started and you wanted to get some knowledge. There is a website, Canva. Basically, you don't have to be expert in Photoshop, expert in photo editing, expert in creating thumbnails. Canva will drive you easiest way to create your thumbnails or even your shorts, as the other many channels are showing that you can create a lot of shorts and make money. But I don't know what about making money. However, if you want to create shorts or bulk shorts or thumbnails or any other editing, basically the easiest way to do is using Canva. Hi, hello, this is Yoganand. Welcome to Yoganand Tech Talk. I'm going to show you the Canva features today. So let's jump into the Canva. So basically, this is the website that Canva looks like. You have to log in with your basically your email ID. I'm not going to go through all this process. I'll just drive you quickly how to create thumbnails, how to create shorts. And the important thing that you have to note, basically, as many other people are suggesting, that it is free. Of course it is free, but there is certain elements that you can access for free, but rest of them obviously you will have to pay. Like a Prime templates, if you want to use them, you will have to pay. That means that a Pro, you have to use Pro and pay. That means first 30 days they will give you for free, then after that you will have to pay. The prices depending on the services that you use. Okay, I'll quickly show you what you can do for free, what you cannot do for free. Okay, now I'm using this Canva just to create a YouTube thumbnail. So this is the way how it looks like. You just go to create a design, and then you will see you can create a logo, thumbnail, Instagram posts or YouTube shorts or whatever it is from this Canva website. But now we will create YouTube thumbnail. So you can just type YouTube. That will bring up all the list that what we can do in YouTube. So see, you can create a YouTube ads, you can create YouTube banners, you can create YouTube display. At the same time, you can create live stream videos as well. But now we are focusing on thumbnail. So just create. Okay, as soon as you type thumbnail, you will see YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnail. So I'm just selecting YouTube thumbnail. Right, the templates that you will see on this left hand side, basically some of the templates are free and some of the templates are chargeable. So how do you know this template is chargeable? Is basically, if you see anything Pro in here, obviously that means that is a chargeable template. So you will have to be a Pro user to use this template. So at the moment, for our demo, we will use only free templates. So I'm going to use this template for my YouTube thumbnail. And thumbnail is also depend on the video that if yours is a cooking video, you will have to find a right thumbnail for cooking videos. Nature videos, you'll have to find a right thumbnail for nature videos. But don't just put it whatever you want to create and put it on YouTube. You're not going to attract the viewers. If you want to attract the viewers, the important thing is title. The second important thing is thumbnail. So create a proper thumbnail to attract the viewers. So if you see in here, for the nature video, I'm going to use this thumbnail and just change the text. So the video, if it is like you are creating a nice waterfalls, so you can just type the text waterfalls in forest. So you can this is the word. There is another text as well. If you want to give it like like a subscribe or something, for example, in this I can write subscribe. This one you can create a lot of variations for the text field. Basically, you can change the font, you can change the style of the text. I will show you. If you click on this, you can see there are few like you see this font, you can change that font and you can change to another font. But there are some premium fonts that you will have to obviously pay for it. Whatever the fonts that is showing Pro is a chargeable fonts. And the next one, you can add elements to it. Basically depend on the video that you have. You go to elements, you can type for if it is a cooking elements, you can add cooking. Because it is a nature video, so I just select nature. So you will see all the templates like butterflies and skies And again, as I said, you will see Pro in here. So Pro means once you click on the Pro, that is, you can add this to your template, but you cannot download this for free. Obviously, you will have to pay. So if you are a new YouTuber, I would suggest you to use any free templates. Just look for free ones. See these leaves, they are free. So obviously I can use them for free. So that's not going to stop me downloading this template. So that is the way you create the thumbnail. So the other features, you can see all these features. If you click on the text, you will see the font size and the color as well. You can change the color of the text. So these are all you can easily run through. It's not a big deal. So now quickly I will show you how to create the shot. So I'm just closing this one. I'm just going to the design. Okay, to create the YouTube shot, obviously you can just type YouTube shot. So that's going to bring up. So I'll select the YouTube shots in here. So you will see all the shots that they already have, but we are going to create a new design. Just create a new design and then you select YouTube shots from here. That's going to bring up whatever the templates that they have, free templates. So some of them are free templates, some of them are pro templates. As I said, you will have to pay for this. So I just click on a free template, and this is the free templates that I can use, and I can just change the text as well. If you like the text, or if you want to add something on top of it, you can add something on top of it. And there is a button that called upload. This means that if any of the external elements that if you want to add it from outside the Canva, you can upload it to your website. And let me quickly show you. These are all that uploads that I have uploaded to this website. So that is the way you can create the shot. Once you create the shot, the easiest way to download is you just click on a share and just click on a download. So that's going to download your shot. So just click on download. So you just click download again. That's going to download your MP4 video to wherever the location that you have configured in your downloads location. So if you want to see your download location, click on three dots, just go to the settings and you go to the downloads. Obviously, this is the location that you will see where your files are going to download. So that is the basic design of Canva. And if you want to run through all the other options, you can run through all the other options. So if you have any comments, please put it in a comment section. Any specific video you are looking for in a Canva, then I can make a video for you. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.